Hello and welcome back. Corn on the cob is everybody's favorite. In this video, let's see how to make a creamy corn on the cob with a special Dynamite sauce. So let's see how it's made. For that, in a bowl, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. To this, I'm adding 1.5 tablespoons of honey. For spiciness, I'm adding 3/4 tablespoons of red chilli flakes. You can adjust the spice as per your taste preference. And I'm also adding half tablespoon of garlic powder to it. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup and mix everything thoroughly. So this is our Dynamite sauce. This is a great dipping sauce for many of the starter recipes. So this is how our Dynamite sauce is going to look like. When grilling the corn, I am refrigerating it so that you get the perfect taste. So this is our main ingredient. I have taken 2 big corns. You can either boil the corns or microwave the corns or even grill the corns. Here I am going to cook it on the gas stove. For that, on top of my burner, I have placed a grill rack. And I am placing the corn on top of the grill. And adjust the flame and grill the corn. If you're microwaving the corn, it will take almost 5 minutes to get the corn cooked. Or you can even boil the corn too. Our corn is almost ready. You can enjoy it as it is with some butter. But for this recipe, we are using a special sauce to give a special taste to the corn. I have cut both the corns in halves. Now let's pour on top of it our special Dynamite sauce. Dynamite sauce is something that's everybody's favorite. The spicy and creamy texture of the Dynamite sauce is giving a special taste to this corn. So treat your taste buds with something different and let me know how it was in the comment box. Do try this recipe at least once and you will never forget the taste. If you're watching without subscribing, please subscribe and also click the bell icon. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to the space for more interesting updates.